Take out the main part and all accessories. Mounting bracket with the flat side of the bracket down. Align the 3 screw holes on the bracket and fasten it with screws. The other bracket is same. Mounting handle. Connect the ultrasound cavitation handle. Connect multipolar RF handle. On the top row are the connectors for the vacuum RF handle, which are the connectors for the S, M, and L handles. Put all the handles into the bracket in order. Connect the foot pedal. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. The screen can be adjusted in angle. Tap the instrument start switch. Vacuum RF handle. Vacuum RF handle S. Before operation, you need to install the operating head on the handle. The operating head is installed correctly. You can handle the 2 metal of the connecting head and the operating head of the metal sheet contact. Ensure seamless installation. Choose 5 meters or 8 meters for eyes, face and neck. Choose the operation part. RF energy adjustment. Suction time. Release time. Time. You can refer to the table of recommended treatment parameters. After tapping start, the foot pedal is pressed or the button on the handle is pressed in order to work. You can keep stepping on the foot pedal or pressing up the button on the handle during use. To operate, it is necessary to use with RF cream or facial oil. Vacuum RF handle M. 1 meter is recommended for body parts. RF energy adjustment. You can refer to the table of recommended treatment parameters. The foot pedal is pressed or the button on the handle is pressed in order to work. Use with body slimming cream. Vacuum RF handle L. Adjustment is the same as for the vacuum RF handle M. Press the foot pedal to start working. Use with body slimming cream. RF handle. Select the corresponding handle model. Selection of operation area. You can refer to the energy recommendation table. After clicking Start, step on the foot pedal to start working. To operate, it is necessary to use with RF cream or gel. RF handle M and RF handle L are adjusted in the same way as RF handle S. You can refer to the energy recommendation table. It is necessary to use with RF cream or gel. Cavitation handle. Selection of operation area. Press Start and then press the foot pedal to begin working. Remove all jewelry. Use with conductive gel. Avoid the knees. Instrument cleaning. Please clean the instrument promptly after each use. Remove the used operating head. Use tweezers to hold a dry towel and wipe the groove of the interface of the operating head of the handle clean. Use tweezers to hold a damp towel with mild detergent to wipe off the grease residue on the operating head. Then rinse with water. And finally use a dry towel to dry the water stains. The rubber ring on top of the operating head of the vacuum RF handle also needs to be replaced. Wipe the grease residue from the operating head with a damp towel moistened with a mild detergent, then with a clean damp towel, and finally with a dry towel. There is a white rubber ring on the filter plug. You need to check if there is any breakage before putting it back on. And if there is any breakage, you need to replace it in time. Cleaning the vacuum RF handle. Clean the filter wall and remove it with tweezers. You can also replace the filter with a new one. If the rubber ring is damaged, it needs to be replaced with a new one. The screen needs scrubbing, too. Fuse replacement. Use a tool to pry down and remove the blown fuse and replace it with a new one. Then install it back.